This is a Garnedd just to the northeast of Llynmaer near Maentwrog in Gwynedd. It was one of nearly 1,400 sites in Wales where wildlife has been literally torched alive by wildfires this spring. The fire here was burning throughout the day of the 10th of April. I got to take some video of it that evening from the bridge at Maentwrog. It looked like a vision of the apocalypse, so I can still smell a dreadful stench of fire here today, a week and a half later. Areas of upland heath like this can be a hugely rich wildlife habitat. According to the BBC and wildlife organisations, wildfires like this in Wales have endangered the habitats of hen harriers and water voles, which are now the UK's fastest declining mammal. They've also destroyed the habitat of golden plovers and burned rare adders alive. According to the National Trust, 2025 is turning out to be the worst year ever for these human-caused fires across the country. Climate change and the unusually dry weather in March are, of course, a key reason. Wildfires like this can be caused by accident from disposable barbecues or controlled fires that have got out of hand. But statistics show that most of them are started deliberately, which is appalling. If you have any information of who has been involved in starting wildfires, then please do tell the police, possibly using the confidential line.